આજનો દિવસ મારા સૌ માટે ખૂબ જ સુખદ અને કેટલા વર્ષોના રૂચિએ કહું તેમ અમારું સ્વપ્ન હતું અને એ સ્વપ્ન સિદ્ધ કરવામાં રમાબેનનો ખૂબ જ ફાળો હતો. એટલે એમને હું ખાસ ખૂબ જ એમનો આભાર હૃદયપૂર્વક માનું છું. રુચિ એ ગુજરાતી કુટુંબમાં જન્મેલી છે. ગુજરાતી લોકો માટે આ ભરતનાટ્યમ એ બહુ નવીન વસ્તુ છે. એના મૂળભૂતના સંસ્કાર નથી, પરંતુ અહીં અમે 20 વર્ષથી રમા મેડમને ઓળખીએ છીએ અને મારો દીકરો પહેલાં ભરતનાટ્યમ શીખતો હતો. એટલે રુચિ તો મારા પાડામાં બેસીને નાનપણથી જોતી અને એ રીતે એના ઘર સુધીમાં જ ભરતનાટ્યમના સંસ્કાર આવી ગયા છે અને એ સંસ્કારનું સિંચન રમા મેડમે કર્યું. રમા મેડમ જેવા ગુરુ આ જમાનામાં મળવા એ અમારા સૌ માટે ખૂબ જ આનંદની વાત છે અને એટલા માટે આ શુભ પ્રસંગે હું વારંવાર તેમનો આભાર માનું છું.
I am going to speak in two languages because there are so many people in the audience who do not understand Gujarati. આજના મુખ્ય મહેમાન શ્રી ભાગ્યેશભાઈ તથા શ્રીમતી ભાગ્યેશભાઈ, કુટુંબીજનો, આત્મજનો, સજ્જનો, સન્નારીઓ, બાળકો, આમંત્રિત મહેમાનો અને મિત્રો. First of all, I would like to thank Bhagyeshbhai for accepting our invitation and sparing a valuable time and to come over here and blessing the child and also giving a very wonderful speech to us. At the same time, Bhagyeshbhai is the master of Sahitya, Sangeet and Kala. You hardly come across any administrator, because administrator means dry person. That is a public impression. But here is a person who speaks better than a man of literature or any profession. And he speaks from the heart, and his words comes absolutely naturally. Therefore, it goes directly in our heart, and it makes us to say yes, whatever he says, and glad. I am very happy that he could come and grace the occasion. Today is a matter of great satisfaction for us, because we wanted that our child should not only dance, but she should dance with the satisfaction of the persons who know what dance is. And therefore it naturally gave us a great pleasure. One thing which I would like to share with you, that classical dance and folk dance are quite two different things, and they are poles apart. And it is always very difficult even to say that I would like to dance folk dance with the music and the acting of a classical dance. But as I have been witnessing Bharatnatyam since almost 15 years, then I always felt one thing, that some gap has been created between the audience and the dancer. How to bridge that gap? So I requested Rema Ben that let us do something in which perhaps we can put folk song into a classical language. She was little reluctant in the beginning, how can it be done, what will be this, that, but it is our idea. And I wish that if it should be done, then what happens, the whole the actor or actress can go directly to the people. And let me tell you, and also you agree with me, that small experiment is really very successful, and entire credit for the success goes to Rema Srikanth. As a father and mother, we are overwhelmed. We were also little doubtful about it, but the way in which you responded, and the Bhagyeshbhai, the way in which spoke about her, it proves beyond doubt that that small experiment was really successful.
You deserve credit for that.
Thank you. Entire the show is successful not only because the single-mindedness, devotion and hard work and sincerity of Rema Shrikant, and we are thankful, personally speaking, to her, because she is a very hard taskmaster, and she takes a lot of work from the students, and being a perfectionist, you have to devote a lot of time and energy. But it is not only I, as a parent, but I think we Barodians must be thankful to her for 2-3 things. That she has contributed to the cultural life of Baroda by transforming the cultural ethos of Bharatanatyam of Kerala to Gujarat. Because Bharatanatyam is not a part of our culture. Garba is our part of our culture. And folk songs. Secondly, she has not only introduced Bharatanatyam, but inculcated interest in the dance form, and she that way has culturalized the life of the students and parents. The parents can socialize a child, but a teacher can culturalize. I mean, can learn to see cultural activity in a great historical perspective, which she has done. And therefore what happens when a student is dancing, she dances with the entire thrust of the culture of India. Ruchi has written in our invitation that she is incomplete without dance. It speaks a lot of the teacher behind a student. Yesterday when I went to invite one of you, and she told me that, uncle, it is not a footwork. It is not only a footwork. It is a spiritual experience. And unless you experience spiritually, you cannot dance with the satisfaction of the public. And the third thing, and the last thing which Ramaben has done, that she has done the institutionalization of cultural life in Vadodara. And there are many others, but her contribution is outstanding. I remember in 1984, Professor Markand Bhatt and I were the Senate members. And Markand Bhai requested then the Vice Chancellor that you raise from faculty of music college to a faculty of performing arts, and please give us a permission to stop teaching certificate courses and diploma courses. Because he says many centers in and around Baroda are coming up who takes care of what we are doing. And let us devote our time for the research and other things. Markand Bhatt, I invited, I don't know whether he has come, but he told me that it is possible he will come. But I think that what his prediction was has proved right. And that we see in the performance of Rema Shrikant. To start an activity is one thing, but to build an institution requires a different character altogether. And therefore, I really want you to congratulate on behalf of us, Rema Shrikant and Ellora Center of Art.